So my name's Leena Adesari. You can find me on Instagram at Leena_makeup. I'm 34 and I was introduced to Pro Blo quite a number of years ago actually, in Trafford Centre, and I saw the brush working and I thought, whoa, like totally changed my life. Rather than using that one singular brush to try and get a big blow wave, I can now do it with one handle and loads of brush heads and just twist it into my hair, let it set, do my makeup, off I go for a night out. So I became obsessed with it. I'm a makeup artist and I do quite a lot of live videos, and when I'm doing my live videos my hair tends to be set in the Pro Blo rollers, so I get asked about it a lot, and I know Pro Blo saw one of the videos and picked it up, and that's why I'm here to show you guys how I do my hair. My favourite barrel size is medium. It kind of gives me a little bit of a curl but a little bit of body at the same time. I like some height, but I do like my curls in my hair, so I always go for the medium barrels. So my hair is dry, it is bleached, coloured, you name it. I change my hair quite a bit, and right now I'm going through this sun-kissed J-Lo moment. So it is quite dry. So I find using conditioning products and a bit of a serum before I go in and... Okay, so how I section my hair, it is pretty long if you can see. So I kind of go from the ears and pull back first, just with my hands, and kind of get rid of this bit. So I twist it and then pop it on, like that. Then I get the brush, just kind of comb through a little bit, and then start sectioning through. Just, can you see that, how quick it was, rather than trying to use your fingers to try and get in. It's just so quick using this. Before I go ahead and do that, I'm just going to give this a shake, and then spray a bit of that onto my hair, section. And try and section to the size of the actual barrel that you're going to be using. There's your handle, there's your barrel, click and you're good to go. Like, it's ridiculously easy. And then, can you see how smooth that is? I'm just combing it through. Now my hair tangles super easily. It's like excessively knotty. It's just that type of hair because it's dry and I bleach it. And I can just pull through it with this brush, and there's no knots, it doesn't tangle, and plus that spray that I've put on the Prep Me just helps soften up my hair and detangles the hair as well, so it's quite conditioning, that spray, it's lovely. And then all you do is roll through, curl up, click, that's the button to click, just there, click, let go, and pop that on. So there's different ways you could do this. You could blow dry, kind of at the same time while you pull in, roll and then click, or click them all on when it's like 80% dry and then give it a good old blow dry blast and let it dry that way, or dry kind of throughout the day if you want to as well. I'm just going to pop this hairdryer on. Remember, I'm not a hairdresser, so I can't do them things that hairdressers do. I'm literally blowing down, following the hair shaft I've been told, and then just kind of getting it to a slight dry point, not totally dry. And then when I'm ready doing that, twist, up, pull, as easy as that. So I'm going to go back to the brush, pull through, and this brush helps you at the back of your head as well, just to make sure you get nice neat sections. Pop it on, click it on, and then again get your hairdryer, pull, Keep pulling through until it feels kind of dry to you. Now, I don't go right to the ends, if you can see, just because my ends are so dry, but the barrel of that brush will be warm enough to give me a curl to my hair, to the ends of the hair. And click again, and then you just keep doing that until you've done your whole head of hair. It literally is as easy as that. So I just section the middle part of my hair, and I'm gonna start this section as well. Just add a little prep me first. So with the back section again, I'm just going to run through. So a tip, just use your barrel brush from root to tip and pull through so you get your hair as smooth as you can get it before you start to wind down. That's like a major tip. It stops your hair from getting tangled into that brush, and it just leaves you with a really smooth curl and finish to your hair. So definitely do that when using these brushes. And then just like, if you've got a section, check it from time to time. So is that going to fit the whole barrel? Yeah, that section will. And if it doesn't, half the section, just use another barrel. And that's what I like about Pro Blo, that they sell separate barrels. So if you like the small ones, you can get a pack of small. If you like medium, you can get another pack of medium. If you like large, you can get a large. I love the medium one, so I ordered some more medium. I just like the way they look on my hair, so I always use those. So I'm just brushing through, I'm going to section off another piece. And you can put, do you know what, as many rollers in as you want or as less as you want. It depends on the kind of curl you're after, it depends on how much hair you've got. I use quite a fair few, to be honest. I do like a big blow dry effect. I am that person. Okay. I'm lifting my arm quite high just to get some volume to my hair, a bit more of a root lift if you like. So that side section I split into 2. And then comb through. So it's super smooth, roll down, clip off. All that's done, all I need to do now is work on this bit up here. So there was just a little knot in there that I've just kind of brushed out. I'm using some of the Prep Me just to help me detangle that even more. There it is. So I can see that barrel fits that hair perfectly, it goes straight in. So you can see with that spray how smooth my stuff is, and if you dye your hair like I do, I'm brutal with my hair. And then this bit I always change up, like sometimes I blow dry it that way, sometimes that way to give me like a flick, so it depends on what kind of flick you like at the front. But just make sure it's nice and smooth at the root, so try and get as close as you can. Done. So I do like to start to kind of roll out from the bottom section, just because that was the first section I started off with. So I'm going to start there. But yeah, you can see they're not kind of pulling or kind of tugging anywhere, although I think this one at the back is still a bit wet. I might just leave that one for a second because it feels a bit damp at the back. You don't want to be taking damp ones out because that's when it can pull and tug. Can you see that? Like, how pretty is that? Can you see that? It gives me that curly, wavy flick that I love. So at this point I could come down forward, or because I like that kind of deal. Very Dallas, isn't it? At the front I like to roll back so I get this lovely kind of height, and then I go and spray it and get loads of volume. This one's still wet, I can feel it at the root, so I'm just going to leave that one alone. Thank you, bye bye.